Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to the analysis of YOLENO TV. I hope you're well from whatever you watch this channel. I'd like to start this session by appreciating you so much for making this channel grow. If you wish to support us, just subscribe to our channel and give this video a like. Yes, ladies and gentlemen, you agree with me that there is no love lost between William Ruto and Jeswant RAI.
Vitu zenye watu wanakula hizi madirisha hizi. Ayusha jenga. Chuma ayusha jenga nikutafuta tu. Jamaa sana. Lakini jamani kuna hizi sikio uchungu. Hata kama tusaidie na bado zile maboard bado sio kati. Sio kati.
The relationship between the two doesn't seem to be rosy. Jeswant RAI is the same businessman who was previously abducted and then later on released after almost 3 days. So in the latest happening, the palatial home and rental property that is in Kakamega County was demolished to give way to the government's affordable housing project. And this house that was demolished, it is alleged that it belonged to Jeswant RAI. So the question is, how did this house get into RAI's possession? So RAI acquired the developed property by virtue of its acquisition of the West Kenya Sugar Company from Sunil Patel. That is the heir of Bhikkhu Patel. Former cabinet minister Joshua Agatia was allocated the property by KANU and he sold it to Bhikkhu, who developed it. So it's alleged that bulldozers backed by police officers descended on the home in Kakamega State Lodge neighborhood in the leafy Milimani suburb at around 7 a.m. to effect 7-day eviction notice dated September 6th, which was served on the landlord. So you will remember that William Ruto commissioned the affordable housing project for Kakamega in Milimani Estate during his last visit to the area in September. So the question here is, was this well intended or was it ill intended? I know some of you will say that probably William Ruto picked that area because Jeswant Singh RAI lived there, or because his property was found there. But I know people will still insinuate that there could be a relationship between why William Ruto chose that area and why Jeswant RAI stayed there. So maybe Jeswant RAI alikuwa atafukuzwa kwa njia nyingine. Kwa njia nyingine kwamba hiyo ndio place tunataka tufanye hii housing project, because to be honest, there are so many other places which the government could have settled for. Kakamega is a very, very, very big county, and I've been there several times, and it was one of the cleanest counties, and I agree. That is kudos to the former governor, talking about Wycliffe Oparanya. So he made sure that the county was one of the cleanest, and I've been there a couple of times, been to Muliro Garden, been to Masinde Muliro University. I've been to Haega, I have a client there. So Kakamega is a very clean place. So it is okay that William Ruto chose the Milimani area to be the place or the area whereby this affordable housing project was going to be implemented. So because RAI alijikuta katika hii shida kwamba yeye ni one of those people who owns a property there or who lives there. So because alijikuta katika hiyo mix up, limebidi hili swala ambalo naliona linatembea katika video, because watu wengi wameshare hiyo video ya hiyo kitu ambacho kimefanyika pale. Of course kuna wale ambao wanasema kwamba ni jambo la maana, kuna wale ambao wanasema kwamba si jambo la maana. Wale ambao wanasema sio jambo la maana wanaona kwamba si vizuri kubomoa nyumba ya mtu, kwa sababu kuna mashamba bado yako mengi ambao any project inaweza fanyika. Si vizuri kubomoa nyumba watu. Sasa wale ambao wanaona kwamba si vizuri, na kuna wale ambao wanasema kwamba ni sawa, kwa sababu hao ni wale ambao walikuwa wakati nyumba inabomolewa walikuwa wanachukua wanapora vitu wakikimbia navyo. So hao ni wale ambao watasifu huo uamuzi, waseme kwamba ni jambo la maana. Lakini to those people who reason, wanajua kwamba hili si jambo la maana, kwamba kubomoa makao ya mtu tu hivi sio jambo la busara. Sasa hao ni wale ambao tunasema kwamba they are the wise men. I don't know how many of you went through the old clip. You know, if you saw the old clip, utaona kwamba hili swala liko emotive in a way. Ni kama vile ile swala la Machakos County kule. Unajua ile demolition ilifanyika, ni kitu kama hiyo. Ama ni kitu kama hii ambayo inasemekana itafanyika Kirima Estate. Because Kirima pia watu waliambiwa hame na hawajahama. Sasa hili swala la RAI's property, inasemekana kwamba there was an eviction notice that was dated September 6th. And this notice was served to the landlord. So it is alleged that this notice is the one that the government is reacting to. Wanabomoa ile nyumba kwa sababu wanataka kujenga nyumba kubwa, affordable housing project. So I don't know about you, ladies and gentlemen. What do you think? Do you agree with what the government is doing? And especially from the videos which I've shared, do you think that was justified? The move to have the property demolished, was it justified? Or maybe the government could have just gone for a private land somewhere, or a public land, another land somewhere ambayo hajajengwa, ili hiyo land ndo wabomoe vitu ama ndo wajenge hii project yao ifanyie hapo. Do you think that could have been the right thing to be done? Because now hili ambalo limefanyika, kuna wale wamelikashifu, kuna wale ambao wamelifurahia, lakini the bottom line ni kwamba hii nyumba ya RAI imebomolewa, whether alikuwa anaishi pale ama aishi pale, lakini inasemekana kwamba alichukua courtesy of the fact that he acquired the West Kenya Sugar Company. That is it, ladies and gentlemen. So for those people who want to support this channel and you've not subscribed, please just subscribe to our channel. By doing that, you shall have supported our channel. To those who supported us by subscribing, liking, or sharing our videos, I want to say here that I'm forever grateful for that support, because without you, this channel cannot grow. So until you catch up again, stay safe and stay blessed.